In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and customize email templates on Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned email marketer or just starting out, creating the perfect email campaign is crucial to engaging with your audience. Let's walk through the process step by step to get you started. First things first, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Having access to your workspace ensures you have all the tools necessary to craft and manage your email campaigns effectively. Now, once you've logged in, it's time to create a new campaign. Head over to the campaign section. Here you'll see an option labeled all campaigns. Click on this, then select create. This step may seem basic, but it opens the door to all the customized campaigns you're about to create. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you wish to create. For today's tutorial, we'll choose email. This option is perfect for guiding you through the email campaign creation process, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Now that you've selected email, you can start designing your email. Mailchimp provides a variety of email templates for you to choose from. You can opt for a basic template, which serves as a good starting point if you want to design something from scratch. Alternatively, there are pre-designed templates that match specific themes or occasions, making it easier if you're in a hurry or need some inspiration. With your template selected, it's time to customize the content. This is where the real magic happens. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to add all the elements you need, like text, images, buttons, and even social media links. You'll also want to pay attention to customizing colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your brand's visual style. And don't forget about personalization. Adding merge tags like the recipient's first name can help make your emails feel more personal and impactful. Once your email is designed, it's crucial to preview it. With Mailchimp's preview and test features, you can see how your email renders on both desktop and mobile devices. Ensuring compatibility across different platforms guarantees that your email will look good no matter how your audience views it. Now let's set up the email's subject line from name and reply to address. Your subject line needs to be compelling. It's the first thing your audience will see and should encourage them to open the email. Use a recognizable from name to reassure recipients that the email is genuine, and set a reply to address that ensures responses are directed to the right person or team, such as customer support. Finally, the moment of truth. Once everything is polished and set, you can send your email immediately or schedule it for a later time that fits your strategy. If scheduling, simply choose the desired date and time, and Mailchimp will take care of the rest, ensuring your email is sent out exactly when you want it to be. And that wraps up our tutorial on using and customizing email templates in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you can craft beautiful personalized emails that resonate with your audience and achieve the results you're looking for. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.